I didn't even have my light turned up all the way. Tell me you're an amateur influencer without telling me you're an amateur influencer. Please watch the video anyway. Pardon the whisper, the baby's asleep. But so many people, and I'm not just saying that, I mean a lot of people ask me about my lip combo, so I figure, why not show you? First things first, you're gonna need your lip liner. Now I use an inexpensive one. This one is from the beauty supply store. It's the LA Girl Brown Cosmetics. I think the color is GP614, medium brown. Use that guy. I also use a very, very affordable lip matte lipstick, which is the Essence 8 Hours Day in the color, oh my gosh, is it not, I don't even know the color. I've had it for so long. It's literally like completely done. But this is what it looks like. Here she is. Again, this is a beginner. Oh, it's called Hello Sunrise. Hello Sunrise. That's what you need. Hello Sunrise. The gloss, if you don't want to keep it matte, you're gonna need the lip oil, the e.l.f. lip oil in the shade Honey Talks. That's it. So let me show you. Okay, so I'm lining my lips but looking in the mirror, so forgive me. And again, not the greatest at this, but you know, we push on. So, oh god, that came on thicker than I wanted it to. Oh my god, it's so late and I'm so heavy-handed. So anyway, line the bottom, pretty thick, and then I just like stick my lips together, because that normally gets it up top already, and then I can just go in and do a little extra. Do not mind the makeup creasing. It's the end of the night. Okay, I just realized how much my lash lines are creasing, and I'm like crazy insecure about it, but we push on. So once our lips are lined, we can continue to line a little bit more and color in a bit more. If you want to, you don't really have to, but sometimes I make it a little darker. And then I go in with the Honey Talks. Just kidding, this is Hello Sunrise. Hello Sunrise, and this is super matte, and a little goes a long way. I've had this forever because a little goes a long way. And I just apply it to the center. That's it. And then, now the key is, this has to dry. So right now, it's still super moist. It's like a little bit shiny. It'll dry matte. Once it dries matte, then we apply gloss. So let's wait. So you could totally keep it like this. Like, I mean, it's giving like boricua, which I'm not even mad at, but it's matte. And if you want it to be a little more shiny, for it to pop a little bit more, you can do two things. Sometimes I add like my Bobbi Brown pink. It's like a pinkish gloss. But I feel like today we're gonna keep it pretty brown, and we're gonna go in with Honey Talks. Now we're going in with Honey Talks. And this like e.l.f. lip oil, it's tinted, it's super, like, it goes on so smooth. I love this applicator, it's amazing. So you just get on over top, and ta-da, and that's it. That's who she is. That's what she is. That's what's happening. That's what it's giving. It's giving a nice nude little brown lip. So that's it. That's all. 3 steps, guys. Super easy peasy, super inexpensive. I think all of these are under $10. So thank you later. You're welcome. I just realized that there was something on my shirt. I don't know what the heck that was. But anyways, here it is.